If your vehicle is not equipped with this instrument panel, please see your owner's manual for more information. The Vehicle Dynamic Control (VDC) system uses various sensors to monitor driver inputs and vehicle motion. Under certain driving conditions, it controls brake pressure and engine output to help the driver maintain control of the vehicle. VDC should remain on when driving, except when freeing the vehicle from mud or snow. To enable or disable the VDC system, use these controls to select Settings, VDC Setting, then System to toggle the system on or off. When you turn the VDC system off, an indicator light will illuminate. Also, when you turn off and then restart your vehicle, the system will automatically come on again. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.